Hello all, welcome to the video lecture series for the subject operating system. Now I am going to explain you all about what is disk scheduling and its algorithm doing in operating system. Right, let's get into the topic directly. Basically this disk scheduling algorithm, it's a technique in operating system which is used to manage the order in which disk input and output requests are processed. Basically here you can check that the head process for reading a data in a disk. So it is also known as an input and output scheduling. In this disk scheduling, we are going to see in depth about what are this disk algorithm is doing. Basically, if I tell you in deep about disk scheduling algorithm, in this particular part, the main goal of disk scheduling is to optimize the performance of the operation, which is used to reduce the time it takes to access each and every data and improves the overall system efficiency. That is a part of this disk scheduling and its algorithm, which is going to help us to produce as much as faster and as process, which is going to give the enormous output in the technique called operating system, which use the manage in order. Right, so basically here we are going to see that how this disk scheduling algorithm is very useful in this disk scheduling processes. Let's talk about what is disk scheduling algorithm. So it is an algorithm or crucially in managing how data is read from on and written to a computer hard disk. This is all about this disk scheduling algorithm. These algorithm, all these 5 6 algorithms, or helps to determine in order which disk read and write request are processed. Significantly, it is to initiate the speed and efficiency, and we can also use for this efficiency of accessing the data inside a disk. Right, so these are all the common disk scheduling method, which includes number one, FCFS, first come first served, and number two, SSTF, that is shortest seek time first. We can have a similarity between these two as we discussed in our scheduling algorithm, CPU scheduling, and this is the new one, that is scan scheduling, C scan scheduling, and look scheduling and C look scheduling. So here we are going to see the introduction part of how this disk scheduling algorithm is really helping an operating system, and it is managing to read the data which is accessed through these 6 different types of algorithms. Right, so let me tell you the disk access time, like how this disk access time has been really calculated in an operating system with a real-time example. Say for example, here we have a disk access time, that is a formula that is equal to seek time. Let me tell you what is this seek time. Actually, seek time is taken to locate a disk arm to a specified track where the data is to be read or written. That is all about this disk time. So let me get into this rotational latency. So rotational latency is a time taken by the desired sector of a disk, right? It is a desired sector of a disk to rotate into a position so that it can access read and write head. That is all about this latency. So let me tell you about this transfer time. Transfer time is taken from data. It depends on the rotation speed of a disk. So this is all about rotation speed of a disk and the number of bytes to be transferred from one position to another position. Right, so here we can see that total head movement, and that is multiplied by seek time. That is a total seek time of any disk scheduling algorithm we have. We are going to see in depth about all these scheduling algorithms one by one with some real-time example, so that it will make you to understand better about what is disk scheduling and its algorithm. Thank you.